1. Part. Check all the parts and read the installation guide carefully. Check the pre-installed parts. 2. Assemble the inner frame. Be sure to use gloves to avoid grease, sweat, and dirt. Spread out the protective sheet and place 6 inner frame pieces on it. Remove the pre-installed screws on the connectors. Insert connectors into the inner frame pieces to combine them together. Fix one side first, then the other side. Fix the vertical beam to the long side inner frame with the cover plate. Tighten 26 screws in total on the inner frame. 3. Assemble the screen. Loosen the screws on the brackets at both ends of the packaging tube. Take off the bracket and gently remove the screen from it. Carefully unroll the screen and lay it on the sheet with the back of the screen facing upward. Carefully and gently put the assembled inner frame on the screen. Make sure it sits at the center of the screen. Insert the long and short fiber rods into the sleeves of the screen. Slide the edges of the screen into the grooves of pull rods. Make sure the edges are aligned. Slide the pull pin nuts to align them with the holes on the inner frame. Insert the pull pin screws into the holes and the nuts. Tighten all 20 pull pin screws. The order is 1-1, 2-2, 3-3, 4-4. Lift the screen up to check if it is flat. If it is not, check if all the pull pin screws are tightened. 4. Assemble the outer frame. Remove the pre-installed screws on the connector. Connect long side outer frame pieces with the connectors. Fix the outer frame connectors to the short side's outer frame pieces. Buckle the outer frame on and tighten all 42 screws. Paste cushion blocks on the side near the down label. Assemble completed. 5. Assemble the hanging bracket. Find the center point of your laser TV console. Mark 2 points that are equally 550 millimeters away from the center point. Mark 2 points 1,484 millimeters above your TV stand to get the height of the 2 top holes. Drill holes with 8 millimeters diameter drill bit. Hammer the expansion bolt into it and fix the hanging bracket with screws. You only need to fix 2 screws on the hanging bracket. Hook the connecting rods and adjusting rods. Hang the screen on the wall. Make sure the down label is at the bottom of the screen and facing the wall. Turn the rod to adjust the height.